back, my friends. The missing word is assert. It is assert. So if you want to check the value of any number, any field inside here, we create assert. Assert equals from JUnit probably. Package. Yes, JUnit Jupyter API here in Spring Boot. First we get first number like last name, and we accept to be equals to last name test. Okay, so that's the one from the object, that's the one we created, and those values need to be equals. First expected, second actual. Correct. We have three asserts: employee, get salary, salary test, and we have it. We're gonna run it. If we failed, then he will print we failed. Let's check what it will be for failing. The salary is a big decimal, so no, sorry. First name, test plus 1 or plus 2. Now it should fail because we have different name, correct? And it failed. Sorry, it failed. Expected 1, actual 12. First name should be 1, but it's 12. So the test is working. If somebody gonna change something, then our test will fail. And that's it, we created a test for create. Next, your task will be to create a test for another method, and this method will be get employee, employee get, and we have a problem here. We have no idea how to get employee. We have no unique identifier for the employee. And in Poland, the unique identifier for every person is a parcel. We created a method interface called get. Interface says the contract of the every employee repos, so every class which implements employee repo, and it needs to has this method. We have a problem here because our class implements the repo but doesn't implement the method. So this is compilation error. Create Alt Enter or Option Enter on Mac OS, and we implement methods we're gonna missing. And IntelliJ created it for us. We don't have to do but ourselves. We have argument parcel, we have overriding the interface method. Method is called get and will return employee. Awesome. And there is another problem now, how to store it. We created employee and nowhere is stored, we just return it. How to store every employee in our caching mechanism, our persistence database. And for the solution, you can read Core Java Volume 1 Fundamentals. New one, cheaper. Old ones, solution, old one editions. And the last chapter, I believe, there is a collections part. So we need to have some collection, and first collection we're gonna use, it's a list. You can read about list in this Kursman Core Java book. So we're creating a list of employees, employee list. We import list from Java util list, and we have list of employees. List means like a shopping list. You have indexed value integer, so first, and for instance butter. You have second index, and there is I don't know, bread. Okay, so list is like a list. But the question is how indexing is gonna change if you're gonna remove the second values. Read it in core Java, and we're gonna test it in our application. So first of all, we need to add employee to employee list. There is method add, we have employee, and this is how we're gonna add employee to employee list. How we're gonna get it? And that is the tricky one, because this is indexed for 1, 2, 3, 4. We have no idea which index will be for our employee, so you're gonna find unique parcel for every employee. There is many ways how to iterate over it. Let's get to the first one. It's iterate over list. This is a normal loop for. Loop is looping all employee list uh, from the first one to last one. So this is what we're gonna need for the beginning. Next time we're gonna create some stream, but for now let this be the iteration, and we're gonna check if employee get parcel. Oh my gosh, we have no parcel method. Let's create one. So generate, not this generate. Where are? Oh, here we have getters. Generate action. Generate code, and we wanna getter. No fields. Oh, we forgot to add parcel to employee. So first, let's do it. Change signature. Move it up. First name, last name, string, parcel. What is happening? Oh my gosh. Sorry. We're gonna add parcel, not in the last but the third. We have parcel. We are creating parcel for the employee class. Let it be a third. That is time. 2 minutes left, and now we can create a getter for it. Getter action. No, we generate getter parser string, and it's generated. Oh, IntelliJ doesn't know the parser word. Uh, I believe we can save it. Save collate this parcel. Save parcel to dictionary. Correct. We have parcel now. One related problem. We have test, which is using not parcel. Our create method doesn't have parcel, so we have also changed it here. We want to add string parcel for creating an employee. On the third place, refactorization. We are using parcel for the constructor. We are adding parcel to parcel list, and we want to get parcel equals parcel. So we're gonna find employee by parcel. We iterate over each. And if you're gonna find it, we're gonna return employee. The timing is good. Now we created implementation for employee method. Forget employee method. Now your task is to test it. Does it work? So Alt enter on the get method. Generate missed methods. I need to change the last one. And write the test for get. How to check if we... Oh, there is a problem here. We also have a parcel here. How to check if this parcel is really added. Okay, that is for now. Let's get to work. Google it. You can read Core Java Horseman and please try to find a solution. Thanks.